Good morning to everyone. Let's welcome everyone on online classes. Today we are going to be discussing about relational algebra and relational calculus on existing relation table or by taking help of the new different tables in database. So we have a different types of concepts which we need to be covered in relational algebra expressions. So we need to be go through about unary relation operations, relation algebra operations from the subset theory, binary relations, and also we have different kinds of additional relation operations are available in relation algebra operations. In the unary relation operation, we must be able to understand how we can able to use the different kinds of operations we can perform on the relation. Relation algebra itself which is going to be containing set of operation, and it's going to be creating a one more new relation. So what we have the operation, like first we have select operations, and also we have the project operation is there. Now let me discuss two important operations. One is select and one more is the project. So this is the select operation. It selects a subset of tuples from a relation which is going to be satisfying the condition of selection. What is the meaning of tuple? The tuple nothing but it's a rows from the existing table. Whenever if we are going to be creating any kind of table, the table going to be containing set of rows and as well as columns. Each row which is going to be representing the one particular record. Out of those records, if you want to be select only few records based upon some particular condition, and if you want to be select only the rows or tuples, then you can apply the select operation. And what we have the specialty in the relational algebra operation, what we are going to be get the result of the from the existing relation, that's going to be becoming the subset of the main relation in the Boolean relation algebra expressions. Selection operation denoted by the symbol sigma. This one is the symbol which is going to be denotes a select operation by taking help of the condition in the relation. Here R represents table or relation in relation algebra expression. The relation which is going to be containing set of tuples from the existing table. Okay. The select operations in the degree of set of different kinds of operations. So here it's going to be use the selection conditions how we can able to apply on the relation. This is indication is that condition, and R is the sub-relation subset of the main relation. The what we have a R symbol or letter, capital letter denotes it's a original relation, and within the parenthesis it's called as a sub-relation. It is a subset of the main relation based upon the condition by taking help of the selection operation. So like that we have a project operation. What is the meaning of this project? The project operation we can able to use in the relational database to select only columns from the different relations or a subset of the relation. So in the select operation, so where we can able to choose only tuples or a rows from the relation, but in the project operation, so where we can able to select only columns from the relation, because relation itself it's going to be defining set of rows and columns, and the rows we can able to access by taking help of the sigma symbol, and we can able to access the columns by taking help of the pi symbol. The pi here indicates that it's a project operation, and here we are going to be specifying that number of attributes which one we want to be accessed from the relation. So this pi symbol represents the column to access. Attributes list are which are the attributes we need, like example F name, L name, age of the person, address, salary, like that. from the relation. Sometimes the relation is going to be containing many number of different attributes. Where attribute list is a list of attributes from the relation R. The R can be contain any number of attributes. The degree of the relation resulting from a project operation is equal to the number of attributes in the attribute list. So in the condition, so we are going to be specifying that how many number of attributes we required from the main relation. What we going to be retrieving, those attributes are equivalent to the result what we got from the project operations. If only non-key attributes appears in an attributes list, so it's been that in the selection condition in the attribute list, so what we going to be using the different types of attributes from the relation, it should not be contain key attributes. All the attributes should be a non-key attributes. That means that all the attributes should not be a primary keys. Duplicate tuples are likely to be occur. The project operation, however, removes any duplicate tuples. This is called duplicate elimination. Suppose the situation may going to be rise that we need to be combine the select operation by taking help of the sigma symbol like this one, and also by taking help of the project operation. Due to combination of selection and as well as the projection, there is a chance to be get a redundancy on the conditions. So to avoid that kind of redundancy, so where we can able to use the project operations in relational algebra. The project operation is not commutative, and also we have a one simple example to understand. So how we can able to make combination of project operation, select operations. Here first A, it shows that sigma symbol, that indication is that it's a select operation. What it says that we want to be extract the employee details who are earning more than 25,000 or 30,000 and 30,000 who are working in the department number 4, or they may be department number 5 from the employee table. Now the R symbol is just work like selection operation from the both department. So it can be from the department number 4 or department number 5. So here AND operation should be, so department number 4 and the salary should be greater than 25,000, and department number 5 and salary must be greater than 30,000 from the employee table. In the employee table we may have many number of departments. So all the departments will be going to be containing a unique ID number like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So out of that many number of department, so we going to be extracting the employees who are working in department number 4 and department number 5 who are earning salary more than 25,000 and here 30,000 from the employee relation. And here we have a project operation. The project operation is very simple. So it's going to be retrieving the only attributes from the employee table. So LM is the last name, first name and the salary from the employee. So here what we should understand between the select operation and as well as the project operation, which is going to be selecting the tuples, that means that all attributes from the relation. And here what we are going to using a project operation, which is going to be select only attributes from the employee table. That is the major difference between the selection and as well as the project operations. Thank you one and all.